So once you sign in into Claude, this is what you see. Over here on the left hand side, you got quick options to create a new chat, sets for different chats. You can go ahead and access out the chats that you have. You can access out projects that you have, artifacts, and customization option. You have an option to close the sidebar to see just the icons and then expand it out as well. Over here on the bottom, you see the recent conversations that you had with Claude. You can go around over here on the bottom and then you got access to settings, you got access to language settings, get help, and apps and extensions, and so forth. If I were to click on new chat, then over here you have an option to add in files or just communicate with Claude, and you got the voice mode option as well, and you got different model selection right here as well that you may want to use. Over here you got quick shortcuts, which allows you to go ahead and choose for what you want to actually use Claude for. Over here on the top right hand side, you got the incognito mode as well, which allows you to maintain our privacy while using Claude. So this is what you have, and then in order to start using Claude, you can simply say hello there right here, and then you can start using Claude. And as we progress through the course, we're going to see how we can actually go ahead and use Claude to create different contents. Over here with the message as well that I receive, you can see that I have an option to go ahead and copy it or rate it or retry it out as well. So we're going to see all of these features as we move along and then learn about Claude. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.